Welcome! If you're a streamer or just want to keep your Discord notifications private while going live, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable notifications on Discord Web using streamer mode, all updated for the latest version on PC. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Right next to it is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your user settings. Now, in the menu on the left side, scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it. This is where all the magic happens for streamers who want to keep their notifications, sounds, and personal information hidden while broadcasting. Inside the streamer mode settings, you'll see several options. What we're looking for is the one that says Disable Notifications. Make sure to toggle this option on. When it's enabled, Discord will automatically suppress all notifications while streamer mode is active, so nothing pops up on your screen while you're live. This is perfect for keeping your streams clean and your private messages private. If you want streamer mode to turn on automatically whenever you open your streaming software, you can also enable the Automatically Enable Disable option here. That way, you don't even have to think about it. Discord will handle everything in the background for you. And that's all there is to it. You've now disabled notifications on Discord Web while using streamer mode. This simple adjustment will help you stay focused on your stream and keep your notifications away from your viewers' eyes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow streamers. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!